Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Verizon Wi-Fi Extender. Start by placing your Verizon Wi-Fi Extender close to your main router. This first step is important because it allows both devices to connect easily without signal interference. Take the extender and plug it into a power outlet in the same room as your Verizon router. Once plugged in, the device will begin to power up. Now, watch the indicator light on the extender. It may blink or change colors while it is starting. Wait patiently until the light becomes solid yellow. This means the extender is ready for pairing. Next, locate the pair button on the front of the extender. In some models, this may also be labeled as a unified button. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. Release it when you see the light begin to blink. This blinking light shows that the extender is now searching for a connection. Within the next 2 minutes, go to your main Verizon router. Find the pair or WPS button on the front or back of the router. Press it once. This action allows the router to communicate with the extender. Now both devices will begin syncing. During this time, you may see blinking blue lights on both the router and the extender. This indicates that pairing is in progress. Give it some time and do not unplug or press any buttons. Once the process is complete, check the extender's light again. If the light turns solid white or starts blinking yellow, it means the connection was successful. Thanks for watching.